Hey there, word nerds! Welcome to Shakespeare Hub, where we make English fun and fabulous. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of Shakespearean English, specifically the words thou, thee, thy, and thine. By the end of this video, you'll be tossing these around like a pro. Let's jump in. First up, thou. This means you, but it's used when you're the subject of the sentence. Think of it as the informal or intimate version of you. For example, thou art my sunshine. Translation, you are my sunshine. See? Simple and sweet. Next, thee. This also means you, but it's used when you're the object of the sentence. For example, I love thee. Translation, I love you, is like saying, I'm giving this love to you. Got it? Great. Now let's talk about thy. This means your. For example, thy dog is adorable. Translation, your dog is adorable. Easy, right? Just replace your with thy and you're golden. Finally, we have thine. This means yours or your when the next word starts with a vowel. For example, this book is thine. Translation, this book is yours. Or thine eyes are beautiful. Translation, your eyes are beautiful. Now you might be thinking, why should I use these old-fashioned words? Well, they're perfect for 1. Impress your friends. Drop a thou art amazing and watch their jaws drop. 2. Sound poetic. Use them in poems or love letters for a Shakespearean vibe. 3. Have fun. Try them out in casual conversations and see how people react. Let's test your skills. Fill in the blanks with thou, thee, thy, or thine. Pause the video and write your answers in the comments. In 1, art my best friend. 2. I wrote this poem for. 3. Book is on the table. 4. This pen is. I'll reveal the answers at the end. And that's it. Now you're ready to use thou, thee, thy, and thine like a true Shakespearean. Try them out and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shakespeare Hub for more wordy adventures. Until next time, keep speaking the language of the bard. Bye.